Okay, let's take that starter motor apart. The bad one, just to see how it is inside. 7mm socket. Cover and a seal. So it is worn as expected, but it doesn't look that bad. I was looking for the got some shims. Goes on the back side. So you have those two contacts here. I don't know if you see that. Of course, it's a magnet. It would be difficult to show. But here you have those two contacts at the bottom, and certainly worn just enough that it's not doing the proper contact here and not starting. So that's just a normal wear and tear. It is 14 years old. For 30 bucks, I think I'd got a good life out of it, or 30 bucks replacement. Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. So when I remove the second part of the body, you can see the two tabs I was talking about. They're spring loaded. See, that one is spring loaded. That one has the same mechanism. It is spring loaded as well. Okay, just unsnap that assembly. You need to be very careful with the electrical connection inside. You can see I got some dust. And you can see the second one was stuck and just popped out. And that's more than certainly why it was not working, because it was not creating proper contact. So something that you can do, because it's really not difficult and really quick. It's like a 5 minute to take apart and remove that, and then you can dust it off, use an air compressor. But just take apart your starter motor, check those two connections. That one was stuck completely inside. No, it is not anymore. I guarantee you that if I was putting back that starter motor on the ATV, it would be working properly. So I'm gonna reassemble it, and that will be a spare for later or for my second ATV. Okay, that's the end of it. See you guys. When you put it back together, there is a stopper, so you're sure your line with the 2 screws you need to put back in. Then you have little notch right here, here, here and here. Just align those. And then that will get right in. Back together and you're done. I'm positive now that I will do a test bench, and this one will be working not as new but will be working as expected, so that will be a good spare. So one advice: it is so easy, so quick to disassemble that you should test it and you should check your 2 connections before you buy a new one. At least that's worth the try for the short amount of time invested.